how to put a countdown timer on Instagram story. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a countdown timer to your Instagram story, whether you're counting down to a special event, a big announcement, or you just want to build excitement. Adding a countdown is a fun and easy way to engage your followers. Let's jump right in. Instagram offers a great feature that allows you to add countdown timers directly to your stories. You can use it for events, product launches, birthdays, or even something special like counting down to the weekend. The best part is that your followers can tap on the timer to get a reminder when the countdown ends. Pretty cool, right? So if you want to learn how to add a countdown timer to your Instagram story, follow along. First things first, open the Instagram app on your phone. Swipe right from your feed to open the camera. Now here you can simply choose photos and videos from your gallery, or you can also take a photo or video. Now once you've got your image or video ready, it's time to add the countdown. To do this, tap on the sticker icon at the top of your screen. In the sticker menu, scroll and look for the countdown sticker. Now you'll see a countdown timer appear on your screen. You can customize the countdown by tapping on the text and entering your own event name. For example, holiday sale or something like new product launch, whatever you prefer. After that, simply tap on the date. Now you'll be able to choose the exact date. For example, let's say December 22. Click on done, and you can adjust the date and time easily by scrolling through the option. Once you're happy with settings, simply click on done. You can also simply move it around, resize it, or even change its color to match your story's aesthetics as well, like this. And once you're happy with it, you can simply click on your post it in your story, and that's it. You've successfully added a countdown timer to your Instagram story.